Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Keshravani, Assistant Professor ABES Engineering College. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about the strings in Java. So basically, what is Java string and how we use Java string? So basically, Java string provides a lot of concepts that can be performed on a string, such as you can compare two strings, you can concatenate two strings, you can check whether two strings are equal or not. You can split the string also. You can find the length of the string. You can replace string also. You can compare one string to another also. You can have the intern method. You can find the substring also. So basically, string is basically an object that represents a sequence of character values. So an array of character works same as Java string. Means whether you have a array of character or you can also change that array of character into the string. We can practically do this also. So let's see a very simple example. Here we have an array of character here, and the name of the array is ch. Now, if you want to convert this particular character array into a string, so what you can do is you can create an object of the string class, and during the creation of object, you can pass this particular here as a in this particular constructor. Okay. So what happens? This string object is converted to then that means you have this particular character array and it is converted into the string. Okay. You can directly use this also, like you can write here string letter s and directly you can initialize Java. Okay. So we have two methods, whether you can directly initialize or you can create a character array then convert into the string. Okay. So one more thing is that in Java, the string is immutable also. That is, it cannot be changed, but you have a new instance is created. This I will explain with the example. Okay, I will create a program and I'll show that how string is immutable. So basically, there are two ways by which you can create a string. The first one is the string literal, and the second one is by new keyword. Means you can create a string literal directly. You can initialize the string, or you can have a string with the help of new keyword also. So we have already discussed that immutable string in Java means when you create a string object, these are immutable. That means if you change, it simply means unmodifiable or unchangeable. Means once the string object is created, its data or state cannot be changed, but a new string object is created. Okay. So let's see an example, and I will do also. So here you can see that first we will create a string with a literal s and store here such. Now later on, what we will do, we will concat this particular string and add the Tendulkar here. So basically, concat method does what? It will concatenate a Tendulkar after the Sachin. But as you can see that the string is immutable. So when you print this, you will get the same Sachin here. Okay. So let's see with this very easy example. Let's create first new project, Java project. And here you can give name of the project, ETL, finish it. Now we have to create a main method. So first I will create one package here. And the name of the package is my pack. Finish it. Now we have this package, and inside this package, now I'm going to create a class containing main method. And inside this, now I am giving my main and declare it as main method containing class. I can see here. Okay. Now next, what we have to do, we have to create a string. First, we will check whether the string is mutable or not. So here with the same example, I have taken string S Sachin. Now next what we have to do is can write str. Okay. Now str dot concat and in the concatenation I will pass here can do this. Now what happened? I will print this and here I'll print the string. Okay. Before concatenation also let's print it, and after concatenation also we can print. So let's see whether it has changed or not. Just run this. So you can see both times the Sachin is printed. I've used print here, so you can write print ln so that you can get the output on the next line. Okay, I can see. So there is no change. So what actually string is immutable. So what you have to do is, if you want to store the result, you can do it like this. Like suppose you will create one new string literal, and now you can concat. Okay. So what I will do here is we have created one new string str1, and now I'm concatenating it and now store the new fresh result in the str1. And now I'm printing the str1. Now see what's the output. Now see, this time we are getting Sachin Tendulkar. So what we are getting here is we have this concatenation. It will return a new reference, and that reference is stored in the str1. Okay. So that's why we have received this particular string. So if you want one space after concatenation, so you can write like this. So you'll get a yes. Okay. So this proves that the string is immutable. Okay. Now next. Now we can have different methods related to string also. We'll discuss different methods. So the first one is char add. And you have to provide an index here, so you will get the character at a particular index. With the help of length function, you can find the length of the string, and with the help of substring, you can we have two variations also here. Means if you provide a beginning index, or you can provide a beginning index and the end index. So with the help of this, you can get the substring. Next, we have the contains. It will check whether a substring or character sequence will appear in the string or not. We'll compare two string also. We will check whether string is empty or not. We have concat, we have already done this. We can replace the particular string with a new character sequence. We can have this two methods for the character as well as for the string also. Means for replace, we can use for the character as well as for the string also. Now we have trim method. It will remove the spaces from the beginning as well as the end of the string. Okay. Next, we have two uppercase. It will convert into the uppercase. Next, we have two uppercase locale also. We have index of, we can find the index of any particular character. And we can also have the variation of the index of, means if you want to find a particular character after a particular index, then we can do this. So let's see how we can do these. Okay. So here we have, suppose string ABES engineering college. Okay. Now let's see how different methods will work here. Now first, what I will do, I will find the length of the string. So basically what you have to do is here, you have to write str dot length. You can see if you want to find the length of the string, you'll get the length of the string here, the 24. So when you count, including the spaces also. When you count the length of the string, you have to count the spaces also. Okay. So this is the total length of the string, including spaces. So next, you can also write here what is the output also. So here we have the length. Okay. Now next, here we can see the next method is concatenation. We have already done substring. So suppose we want to find a substring. So here first you can see, if we want to print ABES only, we want to fetch the substring ABES. Okay, so just start from the 0 and the beginning index here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just write it 4 here. Okay, now you can check. So here you can get substring ABES. One thing you have to ensure here that you have to give the index of this particular space, because it will exclude this one. Okay. So this is the substring, you can find it. Suppose you have to print the engineering college. You have to print the engineering college. Okay. So what you have to do is here, see, I want a substring engineering college. So here, I will only provide the starting index. Suppose I have given 5. Count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just check correct or not. So yes, it is giving the output engineering college. Okay, so this is the substring method. Now, if suppose if we want to find whether this particular ABS engineering college contains the substring engineering, or suppose we want to find that this ABS engineering college contains the ABS substring or not. So how we can do this? Let's see. So here we check substring. So we have str dot contain, and inside this, all I have written ABES. Okay, and just see what happens. So it is returning true. Yes, this particular substring contains the ABES. Okay, so if suppose I change AB only. Okay, so let's see whether it will give for AB also. Yes. But what happens if I write A space B? So let's check whether it is. So it is giving false, means this substring is not available. Let's see whether S space E works or not. This is also substring S space E. So this is also true, means you can see that this substring also available here. Okay. So this particular substring is available, so it will return true. Okay. So we have substring, we can check the length, we can find out a length, we can fetch a particular character. Let's see how we can do this. Fetch character add. So here we have str dot char add. So suppose if I want to find character at index 0 or an index we find, and let's check. So yes, at 0 index we have character A. Now, if we have index and we want to check which character is available on that particular index, how we can do this? Here we have fetch character with index. Dot index of and the index of character A. Okay, let's see. So yes, I'm getting the index 0. Okay, and suppose if I want to find a repetitive index, suppose I want to find this particular index of E again. Okay, so here first I will write E and let's check. So the index of E is 10. And if we want to find this index, the index of the next E, how we can do this? Okay, here suppose if I pass 10. Now, sorry, here we have to give 11. We have to start from 11. Okay, so now we are getting here 11. Means here we have this index 11. Okay, now let's check for the next E beginning from 12th index. So we have this next E available in the college. Let's see what is the output. I can getting 21. So the index of this particular E, because we are starting from the 12th index. So we are getting the index of this particular E that is available in college. Okay. So now this is all about the methods we have. You can also have the replace method, and you can also convert the to the uppercase. Let's see how we can replace it. str.replace and what we are going to replace. Suppose I want to replace C with K. Right. Now we have the ABES Engineering College. Now this time C is replaced with the K. Okay. So these are the different methods we have. We have infinite number of methods in the string. You can use these different types of methods. We have uppercase also. We can convert the string to uppercase. Let's see how we can do this. Uppercase. And here we have replace the character. We can replace string also. str dot uppercase. You can see. So now you can see the string this particular is converted to the ABES Engineering College. Okay. We can also have the lowercase. That for this we need two lowercase. So there are so many different methods available. So now we have already covered methods. Okay. There is one more method available here, that is string. What it will do, it will remove the white spaces from the beginning as well as from the end. Okay. So that's all for the string. We have next video in which we will study more about the concept of Java, in which we'll study about the static keyword. Okay. Thank you.